RX Medical Academy presents the offline medical training certificate course. Led by Dr. Rustam Chaudhary, MBBS MD at multi-specialty hospitals in Lucknow. A 3-month offline program designed to bridge medical knowledge with real clinical skills. Get hands-on experience in OPD, IPD, operation theatres, ICUs and NICUs. Train in ventilator management, arterial blood gas analysis and intensive care. Learn to handle medical emergencies with confidence and precision. Special exposure to medico-legal cases, obstetrics and gynecology practices. Understand psychological and dermatological disorders from real clinical settings. Perform key medical procedures under expert supervision. Get certified training in ACLS and BLS, essential life-saving skills. Learn directly from experienced doctors across multiple specialties. Gain practical knowledge in pediatrics, neonatology, cardiology and gastroenterology. Certificates provided on successful completion, verifiable online. Enroll now through the RX Medical Academy app using code EUEPV. Limited seats available, batch training at Lucknow hospitals. RX Medical Academy, your bridge from textbooks to real clinical practice. Join today, learn from the best, and step confidently into the world of medicine.
RX Medical Academy, your path to medical success. Download now. Study from our best teacher, Dr. Digvijay Chaudhary.
Download the RX Medical Academy app from Play Store and Android. If iOS user, first download My Institute from App Store, and then apply organization code EUPV.